Hello everyone, I am architect Vishal Deshmukh. I am the proprietor of Studio 165. I am working since last 15 years in this field as an practicing architect. Before also I have good experience of many commercial, IT and group housing as well as all kind of architectural projects as well as interior projects. I have designed many beautiful buildings which people likes more. I am able to design the good ambience and quality spaces in interior as well as architectural point of view. I have designed many showrooms, schools, institutes, commercial projects, bungalows, exciting spaces, meditation center, many opportunities I received from my clients, and I have designed it very well, and my all clients are so satisfied. I am very thankful for their involvement, engagement in the project, investment, and support till the execution of the project. With beautiful reviews, positive feedbacks, and I am very thankful for Inside Success to consider me as a successful architect in your magazine. And you have highlighted me in 2020 for 1 month issue and displayed our all projects in 2 months issues of Inside Success. I have good experience, so I can execute projects with better designs, and your building can be like a mural in your city. If it has good location, it will look dazzling. I am more interested in designing good scale projects. Till now I have designed number of projects successfully executed. So my own intent is to design projects more than 5,000 square feet plot area with good locations and with best possible aesthetics, good requirements like malls, commercial projects, multiplex, big institutes like engineering college, medical college, schools. I have designed one school, Oxford the Global School in Nanded, which is one of the best schools. I have received many applauses for that. Honda showrooms, which are dazzling. Many bungalows, and many viewers want to know how Studio 165 means, how I work as a consultant, being an architect and interior designer. If you want to come to me, what are our charges as an architect and interior designers, how we expect the client's requirements, how we did the project, and what are my expectation regarding the requirements. Uh, Thanks for all your reviews, beautiful comments, and positive intent towards Studio 165 channel. My both WhatsApp numbers are 9158989165 and 9158789165. I work pan India, means all over India. You can connect with me with a request of Google Meetings. If you are a developer, you can request for a meeting. If you want to become a developer, then also you can request for paid meeting. If you are within my cities, area should be around above 5,000 square feet of plot area. If you are not from Parbhani district and you have to approach me, you need my services, then the area in different districts should be, in Maharashtra should be more than 1 lakh square feet slab area. If you want to design your projects in different states like Gujarat or any state with my designs, then and you want my services, then area should be more than 2 lakhs square feet slab area, where you can have different requirements like malls, IT parks, TOD zone, means metro areas, metro cities, where you can have big residential schemes, group housing, or commercial projects, fully commercial or semi-commercial, with good designs and right approach towards the design. You need the documents of location, property related documents, PR cards, areas, all dimensions, shapes of the property, and approach roads, road widths, city population, and your locality surrounding photographs and geolocation. Thereafter, we can discuss about your requirements in online meetings. You can ask about our fees related questions. We charge 5% of the cost of the project. We consider approximately 2,500 rupees per square feet of slab area is the approximate cost of your project at present date. In next year, it will be 15% rise in every year will be considered. After 5 years, if you have to calculate, then after every next year you have to add 15% in the value of 2,500 for calculating cost. In this, we consider labor charges, service charges, and construction cost of the material cost of the project. So, total accumulation will give us a construction cost, including everything. So there will be no hesitation. For interiors, we charge 15% of the interior cost of the project, from flooring to paint, including all services, all agencies payments, labor charges, material charges, including wires to every material aspects required in interiors, lights, and all fittings inside interior. We do interior of our own projects only. We don't do interiors of other projects. For example, if you are looking to design a mall of 2 lakh square feet, then we will consider at least 2,500 will be the approximate per square foot cost into 2 lakh area, and 5% is approximately 125 rupees per square foot for today. If slab area get increased meanwhile construction, then it will be added in the fees consideration as well. If the duration of project get increased more than 1 year, then additional 15% rise in fees and construction cost will be considered for architectural fees as well as interior chief fees. As we consider every project can be executed in 1 year course of. If it exceeds, then yearly rise will be considered in our charges. If you require our services in other cities and states, then traveling allowance and other allowances should be in consideration. If your project delayed due to any permission or any causes, then it will be the 15% rise as per the time duration of 1 year will be considered automatically. Second thing, what is the process of design? If you have signed your project with us or design, we will discuss all requirements with you, except 10% advance out of our project fees, and then start sketching and planning on your project. After approval on planning in online meeting, you can pay remaining 50 we will design your building model. After completing external design, we will forward it for 3D view or walkthroughs and RCC design. 3D view and RCC design charges will be as per actual and not included in architectural fees. These are extra. After finalization of views of the building, we will start your project on ground with appointment of an contractor for the project. In our cities, we can do contracting as well. This is another part. On start of the project on ground, we receive 50% of the fees of the total project fees. Depend on slab area of that project, including parking and terraces and staircase top. Thereafter, remaining 50% of the fee will be calculated and received in process of total execution and different slab levels. It will be decided in meeting mutually, the proportion of the disbursement. You will require sanctioning of the project as well. We will provide you sanction drawings for the projects, execution drawings as well, and stages of the visits as per necessity of different projects and design requirements. Accordingly, it will be visited as per necessity. It doesn't relate with other or our previous projects visits. It depends on project to project and requirements. Sometimes there are more wall areas, sometimes there is less wall area, glass area will be more. Depend on necessity of the project and kind of facades we design. So I hope you have understood everything. Sometimes you have already permission drawings. It doesn't mean we will design your project and start execution in that case. So permission drawing will not be considered. We also provide tentative estimates for bank loans as well in the same thing. So that comes in our services and our working. Which drawings need to be provided is total our scope, and we decide as per the project requirements and agencies available at the sites. Sometimes if building is high rise, then we don't do brick works earlier on. We do all RCC work. Sometimes we process with brickwork as well as RCC work together. So it totally depends on scale of the project requirement. Sometimes we need to work on phases if project is group housing. We also need RERA in consideration. So what guidelines are necessary for various projects is total our scope, and you cannot interfere in it. All drawings are property of architect. You cannot copy it. Nobody should copy it. This is ethical part. You should not do any interference or any changes. You can discuss on it with us, and we can explain you if you have any kind of hesitation. So this way we complete execution of the project very fruitfully, very peacefully, and with proper control and immediately. So once we have designed the project, our goal is to complete project as fast as possible with right kind of agencies required for the project execution, with all guidelines followed, including waterproofing to roofing, as well as if tensile structures, then its technical execution as well. So aesthetically pleasant mural-like projects execution is my own task, and if it is bigger scale projects or good scale projects, commercial projects, so if you are looking for some challenging design, few tasks, if you are looking for iconic building, then I am the right architect and I am the right choice for you. I am very, very, very interesting and enthusiastic for dealing in such kind of requirements. You are most welcome in Studio 165 for that. There is no need to have any physical meeting. You can give me a WhatsApp message. We can arrange your online meeting. Remaining discussion can be possible in an online meeting. In a meeting, you can be with two persons together for discussions with all your necessary documents and feedback required for the particular project. So I welcome you to join us in your requirements, your to complete your dream projects and all your dreams in my glimpses, which will look amazing and most practical, as I'm an experienced architect and having such kind of vision what should be done on your places. If you are a student, architectural student, and you are looking to complete your own project and you need my guidance, then also I am available. I can guide you. I provide paid guidance, professional guidance, which will be within us only. You can connect me for that. It is for student support only. And many students has problem in starting own practice. So I feel I should have gratitude about my all architectural friends to have their dreamed projects complete in their own way, and if they need the guidance or corrections in their own thoughts, then I can help them as a Studio 165 architect interior designer. Thanks for your all applauses, reviews till now, and you can connect with my channel every time. Whenever you feel you want to discuss with an architect for being a developer, then also you can arrange a meeting with me. You can request a meeting with me, but it should be online meeting on Google Meet or Zoom, that we can decide. So I'm really excited today to have few reviews for having understanding of Studio 165's working and my own working style and approach towards the architectural and interior projects, and which projects I like to receive and which projects I don't like to receive. I don't like any kind of negotiation in my professional fees ever. It discourages me, and if you discourage me, I will not get involved in your projects. If you think about me, then I can think about you. So let's see how we can work on greater concepts which will result you best possible, and I can able to take you on next level of your dream projects and your commercial goals. So this is my task. Thanks. Have a great time forever.